Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas. I hope you all been doing well and enjoying my videos thus far. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 favorite tinted lip balms, and the first one I want to get started with is tinted in a sense, but for me you can't really see the tint. I really just like this one for its moisturizing ingredients. You can't really see the tint on my skin tone, and that is the Say Beauty liquid lip balm. I love this one just for on the go in my bag for when I want to put on a liquid lip balm. As you can see, it goes on kind of light at first, but once you put it on and rub it in on my skin tone, it's pretty much invisible. If anything, it's like a very light touch of pink. And to me, this is the perfect mix of a lip gloss and a lip balm. On their website, this is described as not quite a lip gloss, not quite a lip balm, so I totally agree with that. It does give you a little bit of shine like a lip gloss would, but it does give you some hydration and moisture as a lip balm would. Very smooth and comfortable on the lips, and I really like this one. I think it's well priced as well, so if you've been looking for a new lip balm just to throw in your bag or in your pocket when you're on the go, I'd highly suggest this one. Now getting into some actually tinted lip balms on my skin tone, I have really fallen in love with tinted lip balms over this past year. Before, I was really like a matte lip type of girl, surprisingly, and I also love lipsticks. I love matte lipsticks, but not the ones that really dry out your lips like the ones from back in the day. I did used to wear those as well, but I've really gotten into the lip balm look, kind of like the sheer lip, and I never thought that I would, but the one I feel like really was like my gateway tinted lip balm was the Persona e-balm, and this is in the shade Gratitude. I think this is described as a warm brown on their website, something like that, but this is what it looks like, and I'm actually pretty much out of mine. Like, that's it. I love this color, and this is probably the thinnest one in my collection. It's very thin and smooth and hydrating on the lips, and I really love this color. It's like a really pretty warm brown. I brought you in a little bit closer just so you can see what the tint of this looks like. I will say, because it is so smooth and slippy, it can be a little bit messy, so just kind of be a little bit more precise when you're applying this one, but it feels so hydrating on the lips. It's a thinner formula, and I really love this color on me. And yeah, they have two more colors. They have like a very light pink one, and I think they have more of a red one as well. Probably my most worn tinted lip balm is the Glossier Ultra Lip in Cachet. This is the prettiest deep chestnutty brown color on my lips, and it's so thick and moisturizing. This actually feels like a thick lip balm, but you're left with such a beautiful tint as well. So here is Cachet from Glossier. This one is a thicker formula, and I feel like I can put this one on without a mirror just because I kind of know where it's going and it's not as messy. But I love this color on me, and like, I feel like I wear this probably 2 to 3 times a week. I don't have much of the product left either. Like, this is it, but I just love it on me. It's super flattering on my skin tone. It's like my lips but better, and it just goes with any look I'm wearing. I highly recommend the Ultra Lips if you're looking for a tinted lip balm that's thick and nourishing and that's actually gonna act as a lip balm on the lips, but also give you some beautiful color. They have an array of shades in this line. I have a few more colors in this as well, and actually I forgot to swatch this one for you, so I want to show you what it looks like beside the Persona e-balm in Gratitude. This is Gratitude and this is Cachet. Both very similar colors, but also still different. Just because I have Ember right here in front of me, I'll go ahead and swatch that one for you as well. This is from the Glossier Ultra Lip line too. It is similar to these two, but it just has a little bit more of like a berry undertone to it. And I'll go ahead and try that one on as well. Here's Ember. I'm not counting this one as one of the top 5. I'll just count the Ultra Lip formulation as top 5. I just wanted to go ahead and show you what this shade looks like because I did have it right in front of me. And if you want to see some more shades, I actually have a video that I'll link for you right here where you can see me swatching a few of the other shades that I do have in my collection. The next and newest brown lip balm to my collection is the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine in Bubble Rum. This is such a pretty color. It has little flecks of gold in it, and it's a very warm brown as well. That's it here. And as you can see, there is definitely a trend of the types of tinted lip balm colors that I gravitate towards. The Slip Shine formula is very reminiscent of the Ultra Lip. They feel almost exactly alike to me, and I just love how this one just gives me a little bit different of a look than Cachet. You can't really see the gold flecks in it, but you can see that it has a little bit more of shine to it, and I think that's the reflection of the gold flecks. So I really like how this one just gives me like a different type of look on the lips, but I'm still getting that lip balm feel and that beautiful tinted color that I always reach for in my lip balms, which is more of like a warm brown. Love this one so much. There is Fenty Bubble Rum. The final lip balm I have here is the Rare Beauty formula, and this is their Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Support. This is such a beautiful pink mauve color. I love this color so much. I feel like it's very super flattering on my skin tone, and when I wear lipsticks more so, this is the type of color that I go towards, more mauve tones, and I feel like this is such a beautiful shade on so many different skin tones. And this actually, now that I have it on and I'm comparing it to the Persona e-balm, this might be thinner than the Persona e-balm. It's not as slippery when you put it on, but when you rub your lips together, you can feel the, how thin it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one right here as well. So there is Support from Rare Beauty. All the colors are very similar, and you can definitely see the trend here. Now I'm going to zoom in so you can see this color up close. So there is Support from Rare Beauty, and I also love this formula because it's very affordable in my opinion. I think these are $16, and I got it during the Sephora VIB sale, so I got 20% off. Love this color on me. What do you guys think? That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you've tried any of these lip balm formulas and what are your favorite tinted lip balms. I'd love to hear what you love, so maybe I can check it out too. I hope you're all well, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas.